crafters, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to do an unboxing of Wildflowers butterflies from Diamond Art Club. This is one I picked up, as you can see, on clearance from Joann's. They're clearancing out, if they haven't already, out of your Joann's, their odor kits, because they are getting some newer kits in. So this is a 33 by 22 round kit. It does tell you on the side that it has 54 colors, 3 ABs. This is a full drill. The new Diamond Art Club kits are coming with the newer toolkits at Joann's, if that's what you're looking for. This one's already open. This one was like, I think they even upped some of their prices, because I think this originally went up to like $71.99, and then with everything that went on, I ended up getting it for like $21 or something like that. So, so in your box, you get the warranty and insurance card. And with it, they do cover the drills and the well, not necessarily the canvas, but they do cover the drills. So if you're missing some, or if you drop some of them, you want to make sure you put the warranty and insurance on it, so that way if something happens, you get your little butterfly sticker. A lot of people use these on their boxes if they kit up with them. And then you get your standard toolkit, which comes with a 4-placer, a standard toolkit, wax pads, and a boat. So that's your standard if you're used to it. So we'll dive right into the canvas. This is a softer canvas. Okay, does feel like velvet. It is the right side, bigger canvas. So you'll see as I unroll it, wow, how big it is. Oh, it's so pretty though. Look how springy it is. Oh, I love the butterflies. Oh, I can't even get the whole thing in there. So, as you can see over here on your legend, you have 54 colors. You have, I think, 3 ABs, I think it said. Was it 3? Yeah, 3 ABs, because those are usually the top. So you have like a whitish pink, a yellow, and a bluish. And you have this big, huge flower spring looking kit. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It is color blocking. It does have a few confetti spots. The clarity is good, so like right here, this would be a little bit of confetti, but here you have color blocking, here color blocking, the sky is a little bit of color blocking. Oh, it's just so pretty. I didn't realize how pretty it was. So, let's see if I can get it closer to you guys so you can see the clarity of the symbols. Perfect clarity of the symbols. I don't know if you can see that. Look how cute the butterfly is. So it is a pretty big one. I would have to say it's probably as big as my 2-year-old. And then you get your sticker chart sheet. So this is one thing Diamond Art Club gives you, and they've updated this, where when you kit up, if you don't know what kitting up means, it's what you do. If you put your drills in a box or whatever, you can put these labels on your boxes. You have a little sticker. You can start date, end date. So it's a little sticker sheet. You get your instruction kit thing. Again, I just usually throw these away because I don't need them, or you can recycle them. And then you have your drills. So I don't think I really want to open all the drills because they're really hard to get back in this little package. But as you can see, you have 2 packages of the white 3865, which I'm sure is maybe like a frost white or whatever. I'm trying to see if I can find the AB drills. I'm not really seeing the AB drills. So let's open it a little bit and see if I can see the AB drills. Usually those are pretty easy to spot. Oh, here's one. No, yeah, so here's one. It's a purpley color. So when you do this one, usually the ABs are mixed in. So there's a purple. There should be like a blue, I think. Maybe a pink. I saw that one. I think in blue was 136. It could be wrong. Well, let's see. 136 is 3. And I'm thinking it's a blue to a purple. I'm not seeing. Alright, let's just get them all out. Let's just do it. So you have a little bit of brown. You have blue. So you have all the pretty colors of spring in here. So let's see if we can find the ABs. Show you the AB colors. Ah, there's the AB. I knew it was a bluish purple. So here is the AB color. It's a bluish purple. It is very pretty. It's probably one of my favorite ABs. Let's see what else we got. I'm going to roll it here. So we know that one's one, and then I had that other one. So here's the other one, 126. Is a purplish color, like a light purple lilac color. And then the other one, I think, is a yellow color, because it's 135. Let's see if we can find 135. Yep, here it is. So actually I would say it's more of like a greenish yellow. Not quite green, not quite yellow. Kind of like a lime yellow, lime green. Okay, so very big kit. A lot of colors. Again, if you can pick it up on clearance, $20 for this size of a kit is amazing. Put it on the warranty. I hope you guys have a good day and enjoyed this unboxing.